Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to launch the browser using Selenium. So let's start. In previous video, we have learned how to install the Selenium, how to add the Selenium dependencies to the Maven project, or how to add the jar libraries to the project, as well as we have installed the different drivers for the Selenium. So if you don't have the Selenium web drivers, you can watch that video and download it. So let's start. First, we have to create the Maven project. For that, go to Files, click on New, then click on Maven project. Here we have to select this checkbox, that is create a simple project. Then click on Next. Now here you have to give the group ID. So I am giving as launch browser first project. So we have give the group ID. Same we are going to copy and giving in artifact ID. So we have to give the group ID, artifact ID, as well as we have to give the name. So we have given all the required information. Then click on finish. Now you can see our project, Maven project is created. We got one error as project launch browser first project has explicit encoding set. So to resolve this error, you have to press Control and the one number to resolve this error. So you have to press both at the same time. You have to click finish after you are pressing Control and one at same time. Then click on finish. So you can see our error is resolved. Now we have to add the Selenium dependencies to our pom.xml file. So open this pom.xml file. Now we have to open our browser, and here we have to go to the Maven repository. Then open the first link, that is mavenrepository.com, the official website for the all Maven repositories. Now here we have to search for Selenium and for Selenium. So we are going to install it for the Java. So we have to go to the Selenium Java and click on here. Now you can see the 4.10, the official and the stable version for the Selenium. So click on this version. Now you can see dependency here. Just copy it and we have to paste it in our pom.xml file in dependency stack. So first we have to add the dependency stack, and in that dependency stack we have to paste that Selenium dependency. So you can see in project tab we have created one dependency tab, and in that dependency we have add the Selenium dependency. Now just we have to save the project, so it will start installing the Selenium dependency for this particular project. So let's wait till it's complete. Dot driver, and the second parameter we have to give the Chrome driver path. So in previous video we have learned how to install the different drivers. So we have already installed the Chrome driver, so I'm getting that path. So you can see my driver are placed at the desktop in driver folders. So we have to give path till Chrome driver and with the .exe extension. So in this way we are going to give the path. Now we have to create the object for a WebDriver. So we are creating object as WebDriver driver equals to new chromedriver. So here we are going to use the chromedriver. That's why we are using creating the object for the chromedriver. So we are getting the errors. So we have to add some, or we have to import some packages, the by default Selenium package for the WebDriver and chromedriver. So let's to do that. We can do like this. Just we can do like let's create the object before the your system.setProperty method, and then call your browser. So after you over the your cursor on the WebDriver or this error, you can get the import WebDriver package. So double click on that. So you can see one package is imported here. Now for the chromedriver, we have to get the another package. So first of all, we have to write the chromedriver. C and D must be capital. So then let's see. So you can see the package for the chromedriver is also here. Just save your project, save your code. Now to load any website, we have to write method as driver dot get URL. So we are going to open one website. So we are going to give as a URL. So we have to give URL in double quotes. So let's see. Let's take URL for this Maven only. So just copy this URL and paste it here. So you can get give any URL. I am giving this URL. Now just save your code and let's run it. So to run, right click or click on run as, or you can also run from here. So let's run. So you can see we have launched our browser. Let's see. So we have navigate to the Marvin.repository website which we have given here. So you can see first we have create one package. In that package we have create one class as a launch browser. In that browser first we have created one object for the WebDriver. Then we have written this set property method to set the parameter for the WebDriver and given the driver path. Now we have called the driver with the object which we have created for the WebDriver and just load the method. So in this way you can